Welcome to Drumming with Josh. I'm Josh, and in this video we're going to cover how to hold a drumstick. Understanding what your hands are doing will improve your control, speed, and stamina. To learn more about what are commonly referred to as grips, check out the link above. Alright, have some sticks nearby and we'll get started. We'll begin with just our hands. Try to match your hands to mine. Take your hands and put them out in front of you, palms down. Now close the gap where your thumbs are. Kind of like you're pointing, curl your other 3 fingers in loosely. Now try to relax in this position. Keep your thumb against the rest of your hand. Now turn your hands over slowly. How do they look? Keeping our dominant hand in this position, let's grab a drumstick and place it in there. Try gripping at different places till you find what feels right for you. Now try this with your offhand. Turn your hands over and get a feel for the weight and the balance of the stick. Take a quick look at your hands and see how closely they match what I'm doing. While most of our playing will come from movement at the wrist, there's something else we want to be aware of. Your hand is doing 2 things, holding and controlling the stick. These 3 fingers hold the stick. These 3 fingers add some nuanced control. Being aware of this will help you find what feels right in your hands. As you practice, dedicate some time to playing literally whatever and only focus on your grip. This will get you familiar with having these tools of musical mayhem in your paws. Here's some literally whatever. To give you an idea of what I do. Alone. In my basement. Now that you've got sticks in your hand, check out the basic grips video linked at the end. Thanks for watching. If you like this content or have suggestions, let me know below and hit the bell for notifications. Till next time.